Y'all, we're in Texas right now. We're in Pflugerville, Texas, and there just happens to be a Whataburger over here, right? And then an In Out right here. We're in the same parking spot, the same parking lot, whatever, mall, all that good stuff, suburbs. So we're going to show you why Whataburger is trash compared to In Out. All right, we're gonna get their signature burger, so a double over here and a crap patty over here. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna go through the drive-thrus right now, grab one of each, and then we'll show you the results, and then we'll take a bite of the crap burger and the In Out. I just want a double meat Whataburger, please.
With cheese or without?
With cheese, please. So from just getting that one burger, it was $8.44. So $8.44 for a double cheeseburger. Thanks, Albert. Got the bag.
Okay.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Awesome.
What can I start you?
Just a double.
Just a double?
Yep.
Okay, like onions for that as well?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, right.
All right, so the double was $5.79. So damn near $3 cheaper. Now I'll tell you what, the Whataburger felt heavy, so it might be a bigger burger. So we'll see. We're gonna get this bag right now, and then we'll go park, take them out, put them on the trunk so you guys can see. But I'm guaranteeing you, the double looks 100% better.
Hello, how are you?
All right, how you doing, Kevin?
Is that double?
Yep, just the double.
Would you like a fry with that? A drink? Sorry, a ketchup?
Take your time. No, all good, bro. Oh, we should got hats. Look at little kids in there, guy out there.
Hey.
In and out hats. Thanks a lot, brother. Have a good one. I mean, come on. Which one looks more appetizing to you? But I will say, this the Whataburger here, the patties are humongous, right? And then let's take this out of the wrapper here. And this thing's a beast too, but it's little patties. I don't know, let's take a bite. We got the double first. Yeah, that's that Cali style right there. You know it's good. All right, we got the flaccid. Listen, I'm a little biased, but come on, I've had Whataburger so many times when I come to Texas, and it is just crap. It's not very flavorful, nasty. All right, let's get a bite. I mean, it's just an average burger. I don't like it. I'm biased as hell, but come on. You can't tell me that that double don't look a whole lot better. And you know it's gonna taste better. And this was my scientific research for you guys. You're welcome.